What's up guys, welcome to another video. I'm here with Salma, my best friend, and today she will be doing my makeup. I'm quite excited, also nervous, but I'm mostly excited. She has an Instagram channel called
Poke Artistry. I basically do makeup for like clients, like prom, parties, weddings. Yeah.
Hit her up. She's amazing. Like, look at her face right now. Oh my gosh, like, look at, and then I'm here like a red tomato. We got food delivered to us by Salma's sister.
I'm still drinking.
And it's so nice, it's so cute. I'm like, it's like a mini date.
We're like on a picnic date but inside the room.
Salma has actually primed my face already.
What I use is, this is probably the best primer. It's really moisturising. And sometimes when I don't put makeup on my forehead, like I'd put this on at like say 10 in the morning and like 8 in the evening, I still have the same moisture on my forehead. Like, it's crazy.
That is quite crazy. Like
I use rose water before I start the makeup. This is a Mario Badescu. A lot of you guys will probably be familiar with this. So yeah. The first thing I'm going to do is her brows. I like to conceal the underneath first, then fill them in, and then like conceal the top. Okay, so we're using NARS. Best believe this brush isn't actually an eBay brush.
Oh my god!
Salma, who is your biggest influencer?
Makeup wise, I'd say Nikki Tutorials, because her makeup's really good. And like her, you can tell she doesn't face tune her makeup either, because when she does her tutorials you can see the pigmentation on her.
My biggest influencer would be Michelle Obama, because like she's always promoting like women and woman power.
What's your favourite quote?
Oh, quote.
Yeah. What keeps you going? What related?
I'm a big believer in like positivity, because if you believe like in a positive outcome, like you're most likely to get it. But if you're negative about the situation, but yeah, I couldn't give you one. Just positivity.
That is so cringe. Positivity. Positive vibes only.
Another question I got is, what is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear, this is gonna sound so funny, but it's cats. I'm not a catist. Is that a word? Do you know, it's the way they move their heads when they're staring at you. Like, I'm walking down the road and one's staring at me like this, and they start to move his head like this, and I'm like, I feel like they're trying to know who I am, who I'm going out with, like where I come from.
I think my biggest fear would be the dark.
Bruh.
You know when you're in the house and you turn off the lights, I just sing.
You sing?
I sing. If no one's in and I just got in and it's dark, I'll just be like singing up the stairs.
If no one's home, I'll be like, hello.
Yeah,
and I know no one's home, but I still do that.
I still do. I think everyone does that. We do English language, both of us. English language and linguistics. I do English language and linguistics. You do
English literature and linguistics. They're gonna be like, oh, what nerds. A lot of the time when people say, oh, what degree are you doing? I'm like, English literature and linguistics. They get the literature part, but with linguistics they're like, what is that? I always say the science behind
language. Yeah, that's what I say as well. But a lot of people presume it's, you know, many languages, but it's really, I can't even speak English properly, let alone
literally. Beverly Hills primer. This is really good, like eye primer, but I do want to invest in getting the P. Louise one. So this is like, it's like your eyeshadow base.
Okay.
And it really makes your eyeshadow pop more. Yeah, I'm using like a Real Techniques brush, and you basically just sort of pat it. So I'm just blending the primer into her eyes, and then you sort of leave it to dry.
One eternity later.
So basically I'm just packing her inner corners first, and then I'm going to blend that.
And she's using the Morphe palette as well. This palette is amazing.
Yeah, I got it, the woman like was proper convincing.
I can't even really see the look in the camera either, so it's literally just going to be a big surprise. Oh, you're just blending it out? That feels good. What is a childhood show that you really miss?
A childhood show?
Yeah.
That's So Raven. Did you watch that?
Oh, what?
That's So Raven.
No.
On Disney Channel.
I never watched Disney Channel.
Oh god.
I'm one of those.
One was Tracy Beaker.
Tracy Beaker, now we're talking. Tracy Beaker, shut your big fat.
I used to watch Teletubbies a lot.
Yeah.
So like me and my sisters, because there's like 4 girls, we used to like be one of the colours.
Oh my god.
And my sister used to force me to be red, even though I didn't.
Red is amazing.
She was like, you have to be red because you have to like red, and I was like, just so I could be a Teletubby.
What's this?
Kevin Aquan concealer. This concealer is like £30 to £40.
Oh my god, are you putting it on my face? I'm gonna be like $1 million
Yes, I'm putting it
afterwards.
on your face.
Money.
When I met you, I think the first thing I said to you was you look like Bella Thorne.
Oh yeah, everyone says it. Oh my
And I
god.
was like, wait a second.
You know, I'm gonna put an image here, and then you're gonna look at me and see the comparison, because I do not look like Bella Thorne. Whenever I was in secondary, everyone used to just stop me and be like, "You look like Bella Thorne," or "You look like Cece from Shake It Up." This is going so well.
So cute.
Genuinely so happy. You need to be in MAC. I'm sorry. You need to be in like Morphe or something. Oh, what is this?
Glitter.
This is glitter.
Look. It's like this. I stole it from my sister.
I never put on eyelashes.
Get a thin brush and then put it literally on your eyelid. Align like how you do eyeliner.
Okay.
And then put it on this, and then both sides will be tacky. Stick it on. It will never come off.
Okay. Oh my god. No, they actually look really good. But oh my god, I never wear lashes. Oh my god.
It's your eyes, and she's got nice green eyes as well.
Oh my
look at her eye
god.
colour, and then look at my eye colour. I literally have black eyes, no joke. How do you feel with lashes on?
They feel heavy though. They definitely feel heavy.
Yeah.
It's this eyeliner.
This collection.
Collection's actually quite good.
Yeah.
It's if you're starting up, collection's the one to go with. I use the NYX one. I love liquid liner because it just glides so easily.
Yeah.
I could never use a pencil. Alright.
So now it's just mascara. Okay, so after I mascara this,
That feels so weird. That feels so weird.
your eyes are like rolling back. After I do eyeliner, I always get like a black shade and like a brown black shade, and I just smoke it out.
So what will you do after uni? What's like your aim?
So I do want to become a teacher.
Oh.
I do want to teach.
What level?
Like, so secondary.
Everyone says to me, you're going to be a teacher.
Yeah.
They can.
You'd suit being a teacher.
I don't think I would. I don't think I'll be those teachers that can't control the class. And then everyone's
Guys,
just like,
please.
guys, please stop it.
So we're mixing two NARS foundations. Stromboli. Other shade
Vanilla,
is
I think. Oh, no, it's not.
Mont Blanc.
Mont Blanc.
Mont Blanc.
Mont Blanc, like a wine.
So this one's too fair for her. So I'm mixing a little bit of a more yellow toned one, so we get like a nice sun-kissed skin look.
Look at this.
And then you got a Beauty blender and you gotta beat the face. Literally. Always have a damp beauty blender.
Did you have a dream last night, and if so, what did you dream about?
Did I have a dream last night? I actually didn't.
You didn't? When was your last dream, and what did you
My
dream?
last dream was the day before yesterday.
Yeah. Really?
Like, I had a dream about a stabbing. Like, it was so crazy.
What you?
Literally, like, and then in the dream I had like slits on my hand because I
You were trying to stop
trying
it.
to stop it or something. It was so crazy, but I felt no pain
Oh my
in the dream.
God.
Blend, and you just tap.
Tap, 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 tap. Yeah, thank you everyone as well. I need to say this. I can't believe I've already reached over 100 subscribers, which is absolutely ridiculous. I got an email from YouTube saying, you're already gone past 100 subscribers. So I was like, what? I was not expecting that, and I just hope like it gets bigger and better.
Face Laura Mercier best powder. She's the first person I'm using my new NARS Orgasm blusher on. Now what I'm gonna do is your under eyes.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do like a warm plum sort of under eye. Blending is key, guys. Make sure you always blend. I'm gonna wipe off the excess powder. Highlighter. So I'm using the Becca Cosmetics. Becca Rose.
She loves this one.
I do. It's on my face.
It's her
right
baby.
now. So yeah. Okay. So turn that way. Beard. Right.
I'm genuinely smiling now. Oh my god.
This is like my absolutely favourite combo. I do wear this like every day.
Yeah.
So it's like the NYX. It's this brown shade called Berlin. And then this cream puff is collection. I don't think they sell this anymore though. So I'm gonna have to just use another pink shade once this runs out. Rescue spray. This is first.
Yep.
And then you move on to the Iconic. You're going to be glowing. So once the lips have dried, I'll show you guys the complete.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm shocked. She is working.
You're glowing.
I'm glowing. I am.
Close your eyes.
As you saw, that was the finished look and I'm so happy with it. I'm literally so happy. I just want to say thank you for watching. It's been amazing.
Yeah.
Just like it, because tomorrow, well, when this video is going up, it's Salma's birthday, so you have to like it and you have to comment happy birthday to her. She's gonna be 19.
Imagine no one's like happy birthday. Like, what?
No, please do. And also go follow her channel, and if you're really interested, go hit her up on her Instagram, which I'm going to put in the description below. And yeah, thank you. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Like in Asian households, you have to feed the guests like till they're like fat, basically.
Okay.
It's fine, it's fine.